Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, I will be talking to a learner who just passed about a week ago. So he will be sharing his journey, how he approached this learning and how to pass the test, and what was his experience learning and how he learned, how he passed the test. So in a minute, he will come in and he will be joining us to share his journey, how he learned and how he passed about a week ago. Hopefully it will give you an idea just to see how learners are approaching and how learners are learning and passing the test. Okay, so this is our Ahmed who came with us and he learned and he passed his test about a week ago. So we're just going to talk to him about his journey, how he started and the things that he went through, and then how he passed his test. Salam Ahmed, how are you?
Salam, I'm good.
You okay?
Yeah, not too bad.
Okay. Thank you for joining us.
That's
and thank you for giving your time.
That's all right.
I think this talk this will help the journey that you went through,
Yeah.
how you approached, how you learned, and how you passed.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So first of all, thank you for that.
That's all right.
Secondly, tell me, so how did you find? So when you approached,
Yeah.
the way you were thinking before you came to me,
Yeah.
and then after you came to me, what was your thought? Just to share with everyone.
Yeah, basically, first of all, how did I found you? Yeah.
Mm.
So one of my friend, he just sent me your channel, TV driving, and he said to me, just watch that video, and it will be help you to pass your test. And I've been just watching your old videos, and because I live in Southampton, I don't know you, alright. So from the road, I was just watching one of the road.
So basically, you saw the videos and
Yeah.
you saw the area and
Yeah, I saw the area and I was like, Sherlock, oh, this man, he lives in Southampton. How can we tag him? And then I text you. Before that, I was been watching like more than all video basically.
Okay.
And then one of my friends, he's driving like, so I just in my car, I'm driving, and then.
So you're saying the videos on the course,
Yeah.
it helped you a lot, yes?
Oh, definitely. Because I didn't go to any school, any instructor. I just watch your video and and jump in my car and just I do that one.
That's brilliant. That's
Yeah.
great. That's great. So one of the technique, obviously, when learner comes to me,
Yeah.
one of the technique that I use, sometimes the learners doesn't know, but what I'm doing is I'm trying to establish what kind of person I am teaching.
Yes.
Because I believe that there are many types of people and there are two main types. One of them I say is the theorist, and one of them I say is the practical.
Yeah.
And the way I saw you, I saw you that you are one of those person who likes to see what's happening,
Yeah.
and then he masters it,
Yeah.
and then it's easier for him to put that into practice. Am I fair to say that?
Yeah. That's right.
So would you say that if you watch a video and then once you see it, you master, you read all of it,
Yeah.
you study it, and then you put that into practice, it makes it easier for you to do that?
Exactly. That's right.
Yeah, because when I saw you first, I put you on the theorist side.
Yeah.
You're a person who is a theorist, who likes to know before they need to do.
To do it. Yeah.
Is it fair to say that?
Yeah, that's right. Because I got the knowledge from the videos, and then I went to practical to do it.
And then you done it.
Yeah. I've been watching all the night. I never sleep some time, but all the night I just watching the videos and keep studying and remember the whole things. Yeah.
Me speaking in your eyes, yes.
Yeah, definitely. When I want to go to bed, I just leave it. I will just close my eyes and remember the process. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So
and, alhamdulillah, and then I found you, and then you helped me to.
I did my job. I did my job. Obviously, you did all the work.
Appreciate that.
You did all the work. I mean, I strongly believe. I mean, the learners out there, I would say that.
Yeah.
First of all, find out what kind of person you are
Yes.
before you approach, because eventually you will learn. You know, that's what I say. Eventually you will learn. Unless you know which category you fall, the journey doesn't become easy. I mean, tell me, was there, when I was teaching you, did I make it easy for you? Was it easy for you, the journey, or did I make it difficult for you?
Absolutely, that was so easier for me.
Yeah, the reason it was because I get to know you, you see.
Yeah.
First of all, I do, because instructors, we all got the same knowledge.
Yes.
We've all got the same the qualification. But it's the way you approach.
Yeah.
Unless you approach the right way, it doesn't become easy for me. No, it doesn't. It doesn't become easy for you.
Yeah.
So it is important to understand how to approach.
Exactly. Yeah.
So then, before the test, how did you prepare for your test? What did you do on the day? On the day
of my test, I prepared all the process things what I have to do in the test. And do you remember that emergency stop?
Yeah.
I'm just watching all the videos and didn't even do practice. And the day of the test,
you had the emergency stop.
Yeah, I had one. You told me to do it, and I did in my exam, guys. Can you believe that? And it went well.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine. And then obviously you passed first time.
Yeah, first time I passed. First time I passed.
Okay. Now that you passed.
Yeah.
Now that you passed, would you say these videos in the course still will help you? Do you think will help you in the future as a reference for you to go back and see if you need any help?
Yeah, definitely. I'm still watching the videos now. Yeah, sometimes I'm still watching, because if you just pass your test doesn't mean you are like an experienced driver to go on the road.
So the course is there for you for life, so that if you need any reference, you could always go back.
Definitely.
And that's good.
Your course is absolutely fine.
Would you say one other thing? Would you advise that as you are learning, because one of the things I advise the person, all the students that I teach from the beginning, I say that when you start the journey of learning from the beginning, always carry a notebook.
Yes.
And when you're learning something, whether you are watching a video in the course or not, is to make notes so that you could always go back and look at the notes. Do you think that would help? Do you think that helps?
Absolutely will be help, that one.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely
So when you start the journey, always have a notebook so that when you're learning something in the car, make a note.
Make a note it takes.
And then from the course, when you are watching the video, make notes, and you could always go back even after you pass your test. Because after you pass, it doesn't mean you're a good driver. It just means you've passed.
Yeah.
But for you to be good, you need to drive more by yourself, because all of a sudden there's nobody here helping you.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you have to do the driving by yourself.
Yeah.
So that, would you recommend for people to have a notebook from the beginning so that they make notes and then they could always go back?
Yeah, definitely. I would recommend the whole learner, especially from the beginner, to have a note, to get some notice, you know what I mean, to give just studying and practicing on it. And
then go, or you could always go back and see what the notes are.
Yeah. The main thing, the good thing to get the knowledge, you know what I mean. If you get the knowledge, so that's the knowledge where you get it from your course. Yeah. That's where I get it from, the knowledge. Yeah. If I don't have that knowledge, I wouldn't pass that test. Seriously.
You probably would, but it would take longer. It probably
definitely.
Would you say? Would you say it would take longer? Because what the course does is, or the videos does, is it gives you the knowledge that you need, and it shows you what you're going into.
Yes.
Isn't it? So what you're going to be going into. So it's not like you're in the dark and you don't know what's happening.
Yeah.
Yeah. So does the videos in the course takes the darkness away?
The course, all the videos, they give you actually like simple things. You know what I mean? So you just watch them and then get the knowledge, and then you got to.
If you explain to the viewers, one of the video, just explain a video that you watch in the course. So in the beginning, what do you get, and then what do you get afterwards? Do you get both? Do you get the theory and do you get the practical? Do you get both? How explain a video?
I get the theory first of all, like the way you're teaching, like a school, like with pen and paper. I like that, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Okay, so the diagram, yeah?
Yeah, like a diagram, watching, like absolutely like in school.
Yeah.
That's a full oh my goodness, that was so amazing.
Yeah. So you're saying that the videos in the course is giving you the theory side first.
Yeah, the theory side
explaining about the subject.
Yes.
And then it's giving you how it's done, how it's
done in practice. Yes.
So then when you go to the car, it becomes
easier for you.
And would you say because of that, when you come and sit in your car to learn, it gives you the confidence, it gives you the boost?
Yeah, you need to believe in yourself. If you need to believe in yourself and you have your confidence, when you come just sit in your car, you feel comfortable, and then you know what you're going to do today for actually exactly. And then your instructor will help you definitely.
Yeah, so obviously, because that's how I work, this is what I advise,
Yeah.
is to boost your confidence. Number one
Yeah.
is when you're sitting,
Yeah.
believe in yourself.
Yes.
Would you say that?
Yeah.
And then if you have the knowledge already, then you know what you're going into. Does that gives you the confidence?
Yeah, definitely will give
Yeah.
you. Yeah.
And then when you are driving, because you know already the information about the subjects, you already know. Would you say that is saving you time, so that we're not wasting any time here where I'm explaining?
Yeah, absolutely save your time.
Save your time.
Yeah, because you know what you're going to do today.
Yeah. So the instructor doesn't have to explain to you as much.
Yeah, exactly.
Because that's what he does, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because the main thing about the course, I would say,
Mm.
because if I say this, would you agree?
Sure.
The person comes and sits here,
Yeah.
so he believes himself,
Okay.
so that he knows that I need to learn this for a good purpose.
All right.
Number two, because he's got the knowledge from the course and the videos, so he knows what he's going into.
Yeah.
Number three, the instructor is not wasting too much time on explaining, because the people or the learner already knows from the course. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if you put it in a package,
Yeah.
would you say all those things is helping you to become more confident and makes it easy for you to learn?
Yeah, I would agree with that.
Would you agree with that?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
Okay, congratulations anyway, Ahmed. You
Thank
passed
you.
10 days ago. I really appreciate you coming and
Thank
sharing your
you.
journey here,
Thank you.
because
That's
it's
all
really
right.
going to help the learners. Because
Yeah.
what I'm trying to do is through my channel, is to help the learners as much as I can. Best way I can to help them to pass the test, because passing is, learning to drive and passing, it's a life skill.
Exactly.
It helps you with your career. It helps you to go to the places you want.
Yeah.
And I just want to make through my channel, through the course, that how to learn easily and how you enjoy to learn and pass the test.
Exactly.
Anyway, thank you for coming.
That's all right.
And keep watching.
Yeah, I will.
Make sure you by the way,
Yeah.
thank you for the comment you gave on the
That's
channel.
all right. You deserve
I mean, we
that.
really appreciate that. As soon as you passed, you came and you gave a comment on my channel.
That's all right.
Thank you for that. Okay.
Yeah, that's
Thank you, and I hope to see you around. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, that's it for this video, and I hope if you enjoyed the video, and hopefully by now you will know that in few days I will be launching my 2.0 version of Learn to Drive course. If you are interested and you want to be a part of this group, make sure you check on the description below and register yourself by giving your name and your email address. And what I will do is, when it's launching, I will inform you so that you know when it's about to launch. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.